Hello there, and welcome to another one of my videos. Now, this is actually me going over the test rig. I've actually just been seeing if it's leaking, and it seems not to be. Even though it's slowly going in, it's not coming out anywhere, but well. So we shall quickly get this started and up and away before my fuel has it stopped. Must be slowly filling up. But I'm going to focus on the carburetor this time, because I always think it's interesting with these type of disc valve engines to actually show how the carburetor is actually working, because you can get a good view with these. So if we just focus in on the carburetor, and we shall see how many kicks without swearing it beauty off. Come on. It is running a bit rough, but it's okay for what I need. Try and use it all up. Well, it works. It's not pissing out the carburetor no more, which is a good thing. It is a bit more rattly now, but I guess it's got fully warmed up, which is the joy. Oh well, it'll do for what I want. Final year project and all that sort of crap. Oh well. Well, I've just done one engine test, and I had a little bit of fuel left, and I don't want to waste it because fuel's expensive now, so I think we should do another one. This is my DIY fuel holding device, which will stick in there. How much have I got? Oh, we should be going down. Should just, because it's brand new. I'll just check if there's nobody about. Nope, because it's well, not brand new, just started. It should. Oh, just got a big gurgle in there. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. Get some fuel through. I just don't like wasting fuel. I was going to put it away just then. I'm just hoping everybody's out. Castrol smell. How fast we're going down. Pretty quick actually. Just turn it down. Bit lower. Come on. Keep going. It's now rattling like a bag of hammers. How much fuel have we got left? We haven't got that much left. Oh, come on, calm down. Are we into the tube now? Yeah, we're into the tube. Now you're just going to sit there and die. Turn you up a bit. God, this is life support and a half, this is. God, listen to it. See, before it was a bit more quiet because all the tolerances and stuff weren't right. They were tight because it was cold. But now all the tolerances have expanded, all the parts and stuff. It's got rattling as hell. It still runs though, which is what we want. And to be honest, this piston and cylinder might not be worthwhile after I've finished with it. The rest of the one will be. And hopefully I'll get that back up and running and put somewhere, but yeah. Bloody hell, listen to that. Come on. Come on, baby. I know you're on your last legs. Say one thing, the smell's nice. Nice bit of castor. No, come on, behave. Behave. Shut me like nobody's business. And there doesn't seem to be anybody around, so well. Vibrations go through there. Well, it runs to some extent. Now that I've actually been able to run it long enough for everything to get hot and all the tolerances to be open, or to the maximum they'll get, we can hear there's quite a lot of piston skirt slap on there. Now, I have just run 100 mils through it and it's been fine, and that's what every one of my tests is going to be. It's 100 mils different oil ratios, so it seems like it will run happily at tick over. Now, I will have to start adjusting the tick over a bit, depending on the fuel, the pressure in there, but if I keep this topped up, it should actually be fine, hopefully. But anyway, nice and warm, it's not going to blow up. It's a bit jittery and I might have just shook me rig to bits, but ah well, that's what we're here for. Anyway, I shall see you later. Hopefully the next video will be me testing it again, but inside the shop, so I shall see you later.